Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is me Iram and you are watching my YouTube channel Chem Tracks by IGM. Dear students, in our previous lectures we have done detailed discussion on metals and non-metals and their properties. Today we are going to discuss uses of metal and the uses of non-metals. So let's start with the uses of metal. As we know, there are many applications of metals in our daily life. For example, metal coins. Metal coins have played a big role in the development of human society and trade relationship between nations and subsequently the countries. Mostly gold and silver metals are used for the formation of coins. Metals are used in electrotechnical materials. The second example of metals used in our daily life is the electrotechnical material. Metal are used both as good conductors of electricity like copper and aluminium and as material with increased resistant and electric heating elements. Similarly, metals have wide application in kitchenwares and utensils. Even we can't imagine our daily life without spoons and forks made up of stainless steel. And we have already discussed that stainless steel is alloy that is made up of iron metal and carbon. Metals can be found in our homes. We continue to find interesting and unusual decorative items and even furniture made in metal forging style. Metals are also used in medicine. If you look at the surgeon's table, you will see lot of metal tools on it. Modern medicine actively applies various instruments and of course metal is widely used to make them. Similarly, metals are a basic part of computers and phones. It is already difficult to imagine our life without these devices. There are very different metal alloys present in all of them. Metals are used in automotive, aviation, railway transport industry. All those kind of transport are made almost entirely of metals. The transport industry is developing, new railways are being laid and more cars are on the roads. Similarly, metals have wide application in jewelry. Don't forget about all those beautiful jewelry that adorns a lot of people. How many times a day do you look at your wristwatch? This is also made up with some form or alloy metals. Metals have application in buildings. No modern house can be built without a wide application of various metal parts. Reinforcement, bolts, metal fasteners, all those are important elements of modern construction processes. Modern art actively uses metal. A huge number of monuments around the world is made up of bronze and other alloys that are the combination of different metals. So these are some uses of metals in our daily life. Now we are going to discuss uses of non-metals. The minority element on the periodic table located usually on the upper right side are called non-metal. They have properties opposite to the metals. They cannot be reshaped easily. They are poor conductor of electricity and heat. The most percent of the non-metal present in the atmosphere volume wise is nitrogen. So nitrogen is basically the non-metal that is present in atmosphere in higher proportion, that is 78%. Amorphous form of carbon charcoal is used for ultrafiltration in modern water filters. Also, it is used in refrigerators to control bad odor. Below are the non-metal uses in different fields. First of all, in our daily life, oxygen, which is 21% by volume, helps in the respiration process. It is also used for the manufacturing of steel and provide high temperature in metal fabrication processes. Oxygen cylinders are used in hospitals. Chlorine is useful in removing stains and color patches as a bleaching agent. Various graded plastics and insecticide are made with chlorine. It helps in purification of water. How? Adding chlorine to drinking water kills the bacteria. So chlorine is also act as a disinfectant. Similarly, helium is used as inert gas for scientific experiment. It is also used in weather balloons because helium is very light gas, so we can use it in weather balloons. Iodine helps from throat infection and used as an antiseptic on wounds and cuts. Non-metals are also used in fertilizers. Fertilizers contain nitrogen. It helps in plant growth. It enhances the rate of plant growth. Non-metal like phosphorus is also used for better plant growth. These two non-metals play a major role in the plant growth and in the formation of fertilizer. And non-metals are also used in crackers. Sulfur and phosphorus are used in fireworks and crackers. So this is the discussion or brief discussion on the uses of metals and non-metals in our daily life. I hope you will learn something new from this lecture. Goodbye.